Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is June the 9th on a Friday, and not going to go too much in all the indices today, but let's take a look at ARC. I love the way this is kind of playing catch up. I did enter this trade around on a pullback, early morning pullback, and I'm looking to add to my position in ARKK. Uh, let's dive into some of the setups that I'm seeing today, and there's quite a few of them. We're seeing a lot of stocks gapping up in the market. Makes me a little bit nervous on a Friday, but nonetheless, let's take a look. Let's not be chasers and let's look for setups. Look at this AVGO. Really liking what I'm seeing here. After a big move, it is now consolidating, and you have the 10-period moving average just below it. I'm setting my alert around the 80. Oh, it looks like 807 level. This SHLS, nice, just kind of consolidated, sloppy action. I think what you do on this kind of situation is you don't try to guess, you just wait for it to clear that 25 level. Set alert there in that. TAST had a nice little move yesterday, thought it might go through, but boy, the $6 level is huge. Be careful if it happens and you get a real big bar first thing in the morning. It's okay to try those, but if it reverses on you, you got to let it go if it comes back into this range. Ooh, let's see. KURA. Once again, you can see my alert there, trying to be a little bit early, but earnings, and it's been consolidating, even though it's very, very sloppy. A lot of times, what I'll do is set an alert for it to drive down and buy a little bit on those drive downs. So I may set a bracket in this one right here. All right, IONS, last one real quick. Couple of huge volume bars coming in there, so pay attention to that. All right, so just maybe set for this gap or something like that, and there you go. I got to run. Have a great weekend. Talk to you next week.